For your Redbubble store, you may get good traffic from organic search and Redbubble search along with your social sharing. But I have figured out that there are significant traffic drops in organic and Redbubble traffic for many artists like me, and it causes a huge sales drop. Every day I'm communicating with my community and figured out that it is true. Even many big artists also face this same issue. And this issue is not only with Redbubble but also teepublic, threadless, etc. In this video, we will come to know what would be the possible reason for this traffic drop and what should we do for those. Additionally, I will also share a bonus tips for you guys. At first, what reasons are hurting yourselves? And that is Google has changed. Here is a question. What type of website the Redbubble is? A text-rich website or image-rich website? I think all you can guess the answer, and that is yes, Redbubble is image-rich website. Google has updated its search algorithm for image-rich websites. Google is working for so long, especially on image-rich based website, to provide a better search experience for the content. For image-rich websites like Redbubble, Google algorithm doesn't only rely on keywords in the product title and descriptions anymore. It also analyzes images from various aspects and then it shows the most relevant results to the audience. Most of the artists are just skipping to optimize their image files and it causes them less visibility in Google searches. Are you optimizing your image file to make it SEO friendly? If you don't, then it is high time to apply this strategy for your every image file. Now the big question is how you can optimize your image file. Okay, there are several steps for that, like including descriptive file names, use descriptive alt text, reducing image file size, etc. But for the second and third ones, it's not in your hand for Redbubble, teepublic, threadless, like this kind of marketplace. But you can do that for your store with your own domain. So in this video, I'm just talking about only the first one, which includes descriptive file names, and it means you must rename your image file name with enough design-related keyword, like you give your design title name. When search crawlers scan your store, pull essential information from your source code. And the file name can give Google a good clues about the subject matter of the image. For example, this file name is better than this one. If you localize your image, make sure you transfer the file names too. So as the best practice, I always rename my design file name as same as my design title. So it gets enough keywords and sends a good signal to Google about my design, what about it is. Now the second reason is using oversaturated tags or keywords. Let me ask you a question. From where you are getting your tags for your Redbubble designs? Well, you may tell me you are getting some of those from your own brain, some of those are from best-selling designs, some of those are from Redbubble suggested or Redbubble or related tags. And you may also get these tags from some tools like Redbubble Tag Generator, Bubble Spider, etc. But here just think, many designers are using these same techniques. They're also using the same Redbubble suggested tags, bestseller tags, and those tools. So basically all of us are using the same tags and they're really getting oversaturated. So when you put a design with those tags, your design may be appeared under those tags but not on the first page. It will appear in search results within a large count. So what's the solution for this? Yes, there's a solution. Use less tags as much as you can from those sources and use most of the tags from your own brain. Just put yourself in customers' shoes and try to figure out how may they search for a particular type of design. You can take a help for that from Google search bar, from suggested search result. Now is the time for sharing a bonus tips. Do you want Google to index most of your designs from your Redbubble store? I'm telling you how you can do that. But before that, please like this video if you think it is helping you, and really I appreciate it. Thank you. To index your designs, simply type this exact phrase you see in the Google search bar, then add your store name just after the hyphen and then press enter. That's the solution to see all of your products that have been indexed and listed in Google. It may take a few days to be appeared, and if you still don't find design listed in Google, It probably means your titles, tags, and descriptions are not well optimized properly. If you want to know how you can optimize your design titles, tags, and descriptions, then you can watch this video, and in here I have explained it in very much detail. Also, you can comment below to let me know on what topics you want to learn, obviously related to print on demand business, and I will be happy to reply you all, and I will make contents based on your need. Good night.